Let's get a check of the forecast with Christopher Nunley. So speaking of Mariners baseball, yes, we all have spring on our minds, right? But
Yeah,
no, we're not even close.
No, yesterday looked a little like spring with the sunnier skies. It didn't feel like spring though.
It did not.
And today it doesn't even look like spring.
No, it doesn't.
It's chilly, This is just kind of the weather we expect though this time of the year. Luckily, we're just about a month away from the spring equinox, so we're slowly seeing those days get longer. The sun sets later, the sun rises earlier, and those temperatures, the average at least, is slowly creeping up, but we're not seeing that today. So the area of high pressure, this was overhead yesterday. This allowed for some of the sunny skies we saw. Well, it zipped off toward the south and east, and we're seeing a weak cold front work its way in. Now, luckily, the cold front not going to do too much. It will slightly increase those rain chances, and it's already increased the cloud cover here in Seattle. Pretty cloudy early Thursday afternoon, keeping those temperatures on the cool side. We're sitting at 43 degrees. Our average high is now up to 50. We're not going to get there this afternoon in Seattle, but at least it's not necessarily cold. It's cool, and with the cloud cover, it does make it feel just a touch cooler. 48 in Puyallup, one of the warmer spots, 45 in Renton, 46 in Hoquiam, just a touch colder as you work your way into central parts of the state. Wenatchee, sitting at freezing 32 degrees. Cloud cover continuing to increase out ahead of the cold front. Cold front has really stalled off the coast. This is where we have some of the moisture working its way toward coastal parts of Washington, and that will continue to build slowly inland over the next, say, 12 hours or so. Also seeing a little bit of activity develop near Island County. That will actually start to fill in, building toward San Juan County, Whatcom, and Skagit counties later on this evening. This is around 7 p.m. dinner time. A few rain showers as you work your way from the San Juan Islands, northwest interior, coastal parts of Washington, even the Olympic Peninsula, and that activity starts to build its way south into Snohomish, King, Pierce counties late tonight into tomorrow morning, and then some mountain snow for the pass areas, so keep that in mind if you are traveling over the mountains. That activity really fizzles out by tomorrow afternoon, though, and we should be left with partly cloudy skies, still holding on to some spotty snow showers, though, for Snoqualmie and Stevens passes, where by tomorrow afternoon, expecting anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of snow along I-90 as well as US 2. So just keep that in mind. Not going to shut down the passes. That's not what we're expecting, but you may just want to give yourself extra time if you are venturing out over the mountains. High temperatures today, these are the forecast highs. Mid to upper 40s, for the San Juan Islands as well as northwest interior Mount Vernon. Good afternoon, 49 degrees. We're also going to see that temperature around 49 in Seattle, just a touch milder on the east side. Bellevue, hey, a good early afternoon there, 50 degrees, 46 in Everett. Warm spot, Auburn, 51 degrees is that forecast high. Temperatures also near 50 out along the coast, upper 40s. We'll call it a touch cooler in Vancouver, 46 degrees. A little more in the way of sunshine for central and eastern Washington, ranging from temperature-wise the mid-30s Omac down to the upper 40s for the Tri-Cities. Look ahead to next week. Big modified Arctic air mass going to work its way in late Tuesday into Wednesday. That's going to bring in some cold temperatures and increase the chance for some lowland snow. No specifics on how much or pinpointing the areas that could see it. Just know temperatures going to get cold, and there's that increased chance for some of that lowland snow. Normal high 50. These are the high temperatures in Seattle next week. 40 Wednesday, 36 on Thursday, 39. On Friday. That means those overnight lows are going to fall into the 20s. Next big system arrives Tuesday. That's what brings in that cold air mass by Wednesday.